How's it going, everyone? Northeast Georgia EAS here. So, New Year is here. We're going to the year 2025, and thought I would do something a little special for you guys. So, the videos that's coming up next after this will be the videos of the most memorable alerts that I loved ever since I started recording EAS in 2016. Be a lot off of some of these radios. Some of these are new that I haven't had too long. So you won't be seeing those, but you'll be seeing what I had in my collection before. You'll be seeing a lot of my favorite EASs, and that'll be about it. So, enjoy, and Happy New Year.
Going South P, Violet, Bullet Creek, Reliance, Turtletown, William L. Davenport Refuge, and Copper Hill. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The forecast for the Iowa Sea, Blairsville, Blue Ridge, and the northeast Georgia mountains area. Tonight, mostly cloudy with scattered showers and thunderstorms this evening, then partly cloudy with a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms.
Whoa!
The National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Cherokee County in southwestern North Carolina, Clay County in southwestern North Carolina, until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:09 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Murphy, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Murphy, Hayesville, Tusquany, Marble, Brassdown, and Shooting Creek. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The forecast for the Iowa Sea, Blairsville, Blue Ridge, and the northeast Georgia mountains area. Tonight, mostly cloudy with scattered showers and thunderstorms.
Oh my lord!
And Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
eastern
Gilmer County in north-central Georgia, Union County in north-central Georgia, Towns County in northeastern Georgia, Fannin County in north-central Georgia, until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Murphy to 7 miles northeast of Ducktown, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Blue Ridge, Iowa Sea, Blairsville, Young Harris, Morganton, Suches, Jones Creek, Brassdown Bald, Pisgah, Itworth, Stover Creek Shelter, Track Rock, Macedonia, Alexander's Mill, Mountain Scene, Black Gap Shelter, Margaret, Hurst, Low Gap Shelter, and Gunlock. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664 or tweet us your report at Atlanta. The forecast for the Iowa Sea, Blairsville, Blue Ridge, and the northeast Georgia mountains area. Tonight, mostly cloudy with scattered showers and thunderstorms this evening, then partly cloudy with a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Lows in the upper 60s. Northwest winds up to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%. Saturday, mostly sunny. A 30% chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 80s. Northwest winds 5 to 15 miles an hour. Saturday night, mostly cloudy in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. A 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms.
Alright guys, so that was another severe thunderstorm warning.
Northwest winds up to 10
Well,
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Gilmer County in north central Georgia.
so that was a triple header severe thunderstorm warning. Thanks for watching.
Warning is
Yes.
in Georgia, Fanning, Gilmer, Lumpkin, Cal,
What a storm warning!
and Lloyd.
Holy cow!
Winter storm warning in effect from 3 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Tuesday.
Wow.
What? Snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 1 to 3 inches. Locally, higher amounts are possible along the ridge tops.
Yeah.
In addition, any moisture left on the roadways, especially in sheltered or protected areas, will likely refreeze, increasing the potential for ice development. Where?
I'm so excited.
Along and north of a line from Rome
wait.
Jasper to Cleveland. When? From 3 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Tuesday.
Yes.
Additional details. Travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning or evening commute. A winter storm warning for snow means severe winter weather conditions will make travel very hazardous or impossible.
Wow.
If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency.
There you go.
The current time
Okay.
is 1:45 p.m.
Wow.
Standard Time.
Holy moly.
The following reports of weather, temperature, and wind were made at 1 p.m.
All right.
Until 5:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 4:38 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Cleveland, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation.
Really?
Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Charleston around 4:55 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Benton around 5 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Reliance, Waterville, Calhoun, Denville, Paso, and Hopewell. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
Wow, I thought it just stayed.
Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and
Protect yourself from flying debris.
Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.
Okay.
The forecast
All right.
for the high.
Another severe thunderstorm warning for Cherokee and Calais. Here we are.
The National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Cherokee County in southwestern North Carolina, Clay County in southwestern North Carolina, until 6:15 p.m.
Eastern Standard Time.
At 5:34 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles southwest of Robbinsville to near Young Harris, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Andrews, Hayesville, Nantahala Lake, Shooting Creek, Tusquany, Topton, Marble, and Brownstown.
Power just about
Whoop. Effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for southwestern North Carolina. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. What? South winds 20 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 45 to 55 miles per hour. Locally higher gusts possible.
Oh, wow.
Where?
Double header.
South Central, Northeast, and Northwest Georgia.
Tornado watch number 17, effective until midnight Eastern Standard Time Sunday.
Impacts.
This watch includes the following counties: Georgia, Clark, Albert, Franklin, Greene, Hart, Madison, Morgan, Oconee, Oglethorpe, River, and Wilkes. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert to rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Tonight, windy, decreasing clouds, showers,
Tornado watch number...
chance of thunder.
Winter storm warning? Winter storm warning.
For the following counties in Georgia, Fannin, Gilmer, Townsend, Union. Winter storm warning in effect from midnight tonight to 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Monday. What? Heavy wet snow expected with total snow accumulations of 1.5 to 4 inches forecast with locally higher amounts possible, especially in areas 2,000 feet above sea level. Winds gusting as high as 45 miles per hour. Where? Murray, Fannin, Gilmer, Union, and Towns counties. When? From midnight tonight to 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Monday. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning commute. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water. The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Franklin County in northeastern Georgia, central Elbert County in northeastern Georgia, Hart County in northeastern Georgia, until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles north of Danielsville, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Alberton, Hardwell, Carnesville, Royston, Reed Creek, Bowman, Cannon, Franklin Springs, Bowersville, and Russell State Park. Scattered trees and power lines will be blown down in the warned area. Seek shelter inside an interior room. This storm is also producing extremely heavy rainfall. Flooding of drainage ditches and low-lying areas may occur. Small streams will rise rapidly. Do not drive through areas where water is flowing over the road. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville-Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Georgia, Albert, Franklin, and Hart. Severe broadcast of the National Weather Service emergency warning systems from the following transmitters. Brasstown Bald, KXI 22 in Blue Ridge, KXI 75. This test is conducted at approximately 11:30 each Wednesday morning, weather permitting. If this had been an actual emergency weather situation, the warning alarm would have been followed by an actual watch or warning. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even if you are using a quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will normally be activated for warnings at selected watches within a 40-mile radius of the Brasstown Bald Blue Ridge transmitters. This includes the following Georgia counties under the Brasstown Bald transmitter: Fannin, Lumpkin, Towns, Union, and White in Georgia and Clay County, North Carolina. This includes the following Georgia counties under the Blue Ridge transmitter: Fannin and Gilmer in Georgia and Cherokee County in North Carolina and Polk County in Tennessee. This concludes the weekly test of the warning alarm system. We now return to our normal weather broadcasting.
So yeah, that was
It was the official forecast from your National Weather Service.
the required weekly test. Quit flashing. Quit flashing. So that was the required weekly test. Thanks for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed.